Okay, I'm going to fix it. This is just a credit card bill. See, like I was saying, I'm just going to fold it up like this. And I'm going to stick it underneath this string. I think that's one of the things I like about banjo. They're kind of a very mechanical instrument. And you can tune them and work on them and do all kinds of things with them. Make them sound different. And that matters. Sometimes you want something to sound different. You notice it don't rattle anymore. There's a little bit of more paper on this side of the nut than that side, and that's deadening that string a little bit. So I'm just going to ease this up until the paper, the edge of the paper, is even with the front edge of the nut. Now let's try that. Got a little rattle in that first string. Not really enough to worry about, I don't think. That's how you fix that. Oh, the joy. Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away to a life on God's celestial shore, God's celestial shore. I'll fly away. So I moved this bridge a little bit while ago. Maybe a little bit more because I lost my tune in there. Go back the other way a little bit.